Hi, my name's Maddie Nicholson and I'm Programme Lead for the undergraduate physiotherapy programme. I guess relatively unique in that we have a small cohort, so we like to think that it feels quite friendly. It's fun, it's hard work, but we do hopefully make it fun and engaging having sessions here at Glyndŵr. We use something called the Active Learning Framework, which is a university-wide framework to support learning and teaching. And that really allows us to make learning and teaching individual in that people can access their learning flexibly and also make best use of the time where students are with us face to face in workshops doing practicals, and we can really sort of explore and learn together.
Hiya, I'm Sam. I'm a second year student doing physiotherapy. I decided to come to Wrexham Glyndŵr University. One of the primary factors was the fact that they do the bursary. I've done a degree before already, so for the funding side it was down to the fact that I was eligible that way to come and do a second degree. Secondly, I'm located in Wrexham myself, and I've got 2 young children, so works perfectly for me being able to work around school times and that sort of stuff. It's building on skills that I've already got. I've been within the massage therapy world for the last 10 years, and I wanted to develop further, and I found that there's so much more that I've learned since starting, so it's just developing those skills really and being able to help more people than I do already.
Hi, my name's Alex. I'm a second year student of physiotherapy at Wrexham Glyndŵr University. There's so many skills that we develop as part of the course. I think the biggest one I've gained is communication abilities. We talk about motivational interviewing and some wonderful topics like that, and learning to sort of interact and assess service users and really make it so that we can get the most out of the experience for them, as well as learn to do it ourselves. So in our first year we get to do a 3-week placement. My first placement was in a chronic pain clinic over in Wrexham, and it was an absolutely phenomenal experience. All the educators were really welcoming, and again the fact that we've learned all this theory about how we work with bodies and actually seeing that applied to a service user in a real setting really did help make it all come into focus.
My name's Megan and I'm a second year physiotherapy student at Glyndŵr. All the different opportunities for learning styles as well as the assessments, it's all quite varied. There's not just a repetitive thing. Some degrees are very academic based, but this is a broad range. The staff at Wrexham Glyndŵr are very supportive. They are very considerate and approachable. They constantly remind you that if there was an instance where you may need extenuating circumstances, they do provide that for you. They're all just about wanting you to succeed. It's never to test you, to try and get you to fail or trip up. It is all about your success.